find the x and y intercepts of f of x equals x squared minus x minus 6. To find the intercepts, we do not need to graph, we just need to find the points. So let's start by finding the x-intercepts. There could be more than one. Any x-intercepts are going to be the x values for which f of x is 0. So we solve 0, letting f of x equal 0, equals x squared minus x minus 6. Factoring, we would have x minus 3 times x plus 2, and that equals 0. Using the principle of zero products, we would have x minus 3 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0, which will give us x equals 3, or x equals negative 2. Now we want to give this in terms of points, so the x-intercepts are the points 3, 0, and negative 2, 0. Now let's go to the second part and find the y-intercept. And in this case, since it's a function, there will just be one y-intercept. And that is where x is 0. So we find f of 0, which is 0 squared minus 0 minus 6, or negative 6. So we can state again in a point form that the y-intercept is the point 0, negative 6.